Welcome back, students. In today's session, you will be learning date command. Let us discuss the various date commands that will be helpful in solving the queries given in the exam paper. So, select DOB is the column name from student. I had 5 records, not even 5 records. I have 4 records, right? I have 4 records which has the following dates. Now, let us check. Select min DOB from student. If I am trying to select the minimum now, it is 01/01/2003. Right? People will be writing ulta at some times. That is, they will be writing 31/03/2004 as the minimum, stating that 01/01/2003 is higher. So, and that is not the case. Again, I repeat, the lowest value, which is 01/01/2003 is the minimum. Whereas, if I am trying to select max DOB from student, it will be 31/03/2004. If they are asking to select, let me repeat, if they are asking to select the records of those students who were born in 2004, that is, in the year 2004, how many students have born? So, to make that one, they are trying to display their details. They are asking us to display the details of those students who were born in the year 2004. So, I am trying to select star from student where, see the condition how I am going to give. Year, this is the simpler one. Year of DOB is equal to 2004. If I give this way, it is more than enough. Anyhow, only one student is there who was born in the year 2004. Whereas some people will be giving the query like this. Where DOB, see how lengthier it would be. Where DOB greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, excuse me, greater than or equal to this one, that is 2004 Jan and the date is 1 and date of birth less than or equal to, they will be giving such a long query 2004 12 31. See, for this one also I am getting the same query. Some people will be using between there. So my intention is, who are the students who were born in the year 2004? Similarly, if they are asking for 2003 now, I can just change year of that particular date function when I try to give. See here, I can able to easily select all the students who are born in the year 2003. Similarly, when they are asking something like display the student details who are born in the month of March, only criteria you should note in using this particular function over date of birth. We have to give the data within quotes. That is the only criteria we have to use it. See here, who are the students who are born in the month of March, irrespective of the year? See here, 3 students. If I want to check it for the month of January, I will be having only one record. All right. So you can similarly check what that date also using the method called as date. It is not date, I have wrongly mentioned. Sorry, it is day. See here only one candidate. Abhirami has born in the month of January 1st, 2003, and hence her record alone is getting displayed. So I have shown you how to use. People will be asking, who are the students? This is a normal command. Display the record of those students who were born after a particular date, greater than or equal to 2003. They should have born 2003 01 01 on or after January 1 2003, on or after. So here the problem is I have given single quotes as well as double quotes. To overcome this one, kindly note, when you are getting an error like this, put a quotes, then put a semicolon. See here, all the records have satisfied the particular condition. Select star from student where date of birth greater than, instead of equal to, I am mentioning it as 2003 01. Now I will be having only 4 records, not 4 records, 3 records. I hope the date function is clear. Thank you.